Finding the right partner in selling a business is so crucial to protect the asset that you built. You know, different people have different reasons for selling their business. For me personally, it wasn't to retire and go sit on a golf course or on a lake. For me, it was to move to the next stage in my life, which is to give back to our community, to do something to help change the next generation.
We also got into it and we were all young and we figured we were going to pass it on to our children. But we ended up in an industry that matured very quickly, and then it was really just an opportunity that presented itself that got us out.
When we realized that now our business had grown to the point that it couldn't grow anymore in the location it was at, we had to add a location, it was time to sell it.
How do I pass it on? How do I make it viable? How do I make sure that I still can be successful while they're successful?
When you get ready to sell a business, it's important to understand what business you're selling.
Clear Mountain Water, as it grew through our own salespeople, our own sales force organically, we also grew by acquisition. We did probably in excess of 20 transactions over that 20-year period. Some big, some small. So we saw a lot of different scenarios unfold. Some people handled it very well. Others had challenges. What I would recommend is that you assemble a team and you get professionals involved. And just like when you run your business, you need to have input, but generally get out of the way and let the professionals do what they're good at doing.
Early on, I knew I wanted to have reliable attorneys, reliable outside CPA firm. That part of the legal and financial part of the backup should be in your business from the beginning. But specifically for a transition, we did go to a different law firm who specializes in establishing that succession paperwork.
We learned so much. We learned that the market that I thought was protected was not actually protected. And had I not went to market when I did to sell my business, I wouldn't have learned this, and I would have left with a business worth not much of anything. Find the right partner to walk you through those steps, to help you list your business, to know what's going to happen during the sale and after the sale. And for me, the biggest thing is understanding that once it's sold, it's not yours anymore. Understanding the emotional tie you have and that you're going to release that. That's huge.
I'm happy to be a part of this program to help other people understand that if you can at least make the decision that that's the next step for you, there are the resources, if you're committed to them, to make the difference so that you can step away and actually enjoy this the life that you had hoped you would have.